Good morning, good morning, good morning, my friends. Happy Thursday. It's Mrs. Fennick here for Letter of the Day. No, that's not me. That's Mrs. Wagaman who does Letter of the Day. I'm here for our number of the day. All right, today's number is a very big one for the end of this week. It's the number 16. So, last time we clapped, we've used our fingers. So, today, how should we count? Let's flap our wings. Ready? We're going to do it 16 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, faster, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, slow down, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, big one, 16. Great job, friends. Way to flap your butterfly or your bird wings or your superhero wings 16 times. So, now that we've tried to fly for the day, let's go ahead and write the number 16 with our numbers. It's going to start out just like all the numbers this week with a 1. And our 1 goes like this, right? No, our 1 is a line straight up and down. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to start right at the top and a line down. Now 6 for the 16 is kind of like that. We're going to start with a line, but we got to give him a big belly. So here we go. You can give your 6 that big belly because he ate way too much for breakfast this morning. Too much cereal or too many eggs, whatever it is you had for breakfast. This guy ate too much of it. So, that is our number 16. Would you like to give him a little smiley face? Me too. Because even though he had a lot for breakfast, he's a happy camper. There's our number 16 with a smile in it. Perfect. So, today when we erase him, let's say bibbidi bobbidi boo. Ready? Here we go. Bibbidi bobbidi boo. He's all gone. That was kind of like magic, friends. So, we wrote the number 16 using numbers. Let's go ahead and spell 16 and write it out with letters. This is another T-E-E-N word, another teen word, just like our other numbers this week. So, what do we think this first letter is? I bet one of our friends has a name that starts with that. It's an S, just like Savannah. Hi, Savannah, my love. I hope you're having fun with your letter of the day and your number of the day. So, to write an S, it's kind of curvy like a snake. So let's get your markers out and start spelling 16 with our letters. So here's our S. He's going to be a curvy snake. Then we have our I, which is a little line, and this little dot on top, kind of like his little hat. Now, next we have an X, just like in Jackson. So we're going to go down like we're doing a tally mark on one side and the other. Now we need our teen half of the word, and that starts with a T. We're going to give it a line down and a little line in the middle. Next are our 2 E's. So remember, our E's are a line, a bump, and a curvy tail. One more time. Line, bump, and a curvy tail. Now, just like in Christian's name, we need an N. That's going to be a line down and a little mountain with it. And that's our number 16. All right. Do you guys want to see what cool picture I drew for you? Yeah, I can't wait to show it to you. First, we've got to erase this. So remember, let's say bibbidi bobbidi boo twice to see if we can get it erased. On your mark, get set, go. Bibbidi bobbidi boo, bibbidi bobbidi boo. Oh, one more time. Bibbidi. There we go. So, we have had nice weather over the weekend and possibly some nice weather this week. So, that has made me think about summertime and going to the beach and going to the lakes. So, I drew 16 waves because I love to go swimming in the water. Let's count. I used two different colors. I used a light blue and a dark blue. Let's go ahead and count how many lines of waves I have. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 lines of waves. That sounds like a very bumpy but very fun swimming time, friends. So, we know how to draw something 16 times. We know how to write 16 with letters, and we know how to write 16 with numbers. Let's write 16 using our tally marks. So our tally marks are our lines. Let's go ahead and count them and make sure Mrs. Fennick put 16 of them on there. We all know how crazy I can be, and sometimes I do too many, sometimes not enough. Sometimes I'm right spot on. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Dun, 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 dun. We did it, friends. We used 16 tally marks. So, your challenge of the day, you are going to need a buddy. Your buddy can be your mom, your dad, your grandma, your grandpa. It could be your dog, your cat, your lizard. Whatever partner you want to be your buddy at home. You need to have them and a ball, because I need you to roll a ball or a car, if you have a toy car, 16 times with someone. So that means you would roll it to them and they'd roll it back to you while you count. You could even make silly faces at them. So you could go 1, bleh, and they could make it, and you could go 2. Just do it 16 times and have somebody take a picture of you having so much fun rolling a ball or a car 16 times. Hopefully, if it's sunny out today, you can go outside and do it in the sunshine and have a great day. So, before we go, what should we do? Should we slouch over like this? Should we hide our faces? No. Should we sit up nice and tall before we leave? Yep. Let's put our hands on our eyes. No, that's not right. Hands on our ears. No. Oh, hands on our heart. Because we're going to wish each other well. We're going to take a big, huge breath in. Here we go. And we're going to let it out. And we're going to wish you well. I wish you well, my friends. I hope you've enjoyed doing your numbers this week. And I can't wait to see all the fun you've been having. I love you. Be safe and take care. Bye, my love bugs. I'll see you next week.